the other day while walking on this same sidewalk and looking for our next spot. I had the delight to meet a wonderful lady from Hong Kong originally, Priscilla and her mom, who had just arrived and was visiting. So hi Priscilla and Mom, big beautiful smiles. And Priscilla's been living here in this area of Kitsilano for about 3 years. I unfortunately lost that little bit of footage a day when the SD card decided not to work. So I'm needing to recapture this particular place in the 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss, bringing to life a book and each of the wonderful little places, the sub places, and of course, more important, all of the great encounters and people I get to meet and things I get to see in between each place. Like, I don't know if you can see straight down there, you're going to get a beautiful part of the ocean as it comes into Vancouver, Stanley Park and English Bay and around to Kitsilano. Anyway, Priscilla, if you're watching, I would love to recapture you and your mom for a future video. The smile and your helpfulness was inspiring, and I hope you are having a great time here in Vancouver together during the Christmas season. So I had met them on the street looking for the place that I'm getting ready to show you. It's a place that in the book had a nice picture of a Salvation Army thrift store, which is what the business had become. And then when you know the story that prior to it becoming a Salvation Army thrift store, here in this area, you can kind of look around. It's a beautiful area, Kitsilano. Kind of see what's going on here. Before this place was a Salvation Army thrift shop, it was Western Canada's #1 top 40 radio station. And some of you watching from Vancouver or with ties to Vancouver will remember the radio station C Fun. Well, I was here in this area. I was walking around and looking at places here, Halsa, Belimi's, Dinosaur, and up there, liquor store here, lots of people to meet. And I met Priscilla, and I wanted to know where was the building that this Sea Fun existed in, because I couldn't find it. What I found instead was this. Where the Salvation Army thrift store was, where before that it was the home of Sea Fun, Western Canada's top 40 radio station, had become a new building, a brand new building. 1904 West 4th is where it was, and right around the corner Priscilla kindly showed me that she had seen a Sea Fun sign, and it was right here. Look at those great Mustangs back in the day. 1410 Sea Fun radio station. So, my guess is, Dave and Graham, this was a station you guys listened to, and many others had a big impact on your life, and boom, it became a staple forever and ever in the 111 places to see in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Now it's a brand new building. Change. Huh. Amazing, isn't it? Sometimes we go to see what is in the book. It's there. Actually, most of the time. Sometimes what we go to see, because it's in the book, it's not there. And sometimes what we go to see because it's in the book has become something else that maybe will be in a future book. Come on. We got to go see some more of this good stuff in the 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. Thank you. How you doing?
Good. Work here?
Nope, just hanging out.
You just hanging around?
Sure, yeah, $5 cheap fee.
That's a funny guy up there. How you doing?
All right, pretty good. How about you?
I've never been in here.
Why not?
Well, I'm retracing the 111 places in Vancouver you should not miss. It's a book. I have a copy of it, and this is in the book.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Graham Menzies.
Okay, yeah, it's been around since 1928, so.
Are you the owner?
Partial owner, yeah.
I'm making a
There's
series.
three.
I'm bringing their book to life, and it'll be about 15, 12 minutes. And everything in the book, the 111, will have a little place. I'll find some research and put a little bit in it. So, and I'll make sure when I get to yours, I'll tag you, so maybe it'll get you customer exposure.
Awesome.
Okay? I'm Danny, Advisor Danny.
Okay, Danny?
I just wanted to take a look, that's all. It's a
Yep.
very cool. This is cool.
Yeah, it's like all this up here. It's all, you know, people have something to look at and talk about and the whole bit.
19
Especially when they're stuck waiting.
1928.
1928, yeah.
So
the
during-
original paintings on the walls were done and actually signed by the artist in 1928.
I just did an art series,
So
actually.
the painting, the entire mural
Do you mind if I film
on the
it?
far wall there and on the wall on just on that side.
I'm just going to grab it and then I'll get out of your hair.
Sure, yeah. Go.
Thank you. Wow. What a cool place. Downtown Vancouver on Granville. 1928 bowling alley. Pool tables. Wow. Original mural. Cool place. What a cool place. I would never have guessed there was something like this here. People need to know about it. It's clean. It's a great environment. They can come and have fun.
Well, that's what it's for, right? There used to be 20 bowling lanes at one time.
And now
then
you have
in the mid 80s, they took out 8 lanes and put in 20 pool tables. And then added the internet darts and soft tip darts.
great business.
But yeah, it's
What was
very
your
good.
name?
TJ.
TJ, it's nice to meet you. I'll find you on social media and connect. Make sure you guys get tagged. Have a good evening.
All right, take care, Danny. Thank you.
I want my $5 back. Cool place.